Their venom contains a mix of enzymes and proteins for hunting and defense, with different species having distinct venom profiles. Pit vipers have specialized organs between their eyes and nostrils that detect infrared radiation from warm-blooded prey. Pit vipers have long, hollow fangs that fold back when not in use, and they continually replace them throughout their lives. Found in various habitats worldwide, pit vipers thrive in environments ranging from deserts to forests. Most pit vipers give birth to live young through ovoviviparity, a reproductive strategy where embryos develop inside eggs within the mother's body.